Hi, in this video we are going to see the National Institute of Technology teaching vacancies, guys, and really it is a wonderful opportunity here. For both the only PG candidates and for the PhD candidates, the opportunities are there. So here the UGC NET qualification is not at all required. Whatever the departments or the disciplines that I am going to show you in this video, if you are having only post graduation in that discipline, then you may apply for this one, guys. If you once selected with only post graduation, you will get the 50,000 rupees per month, and if you are having the PhD and once selected, then you are going to get the 60,000 rupees per month. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the wonderful faculty job notifications in the National Institute of Technology. It will be very much helpful to them. And for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UGC NET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. Coming to the present content of the video, it is National Institute of Technology, Andhra Pradesh. So here out of all over the India, from any state you may apply for these vacancies, guys. Okay, no problem. And here the invitation for applications for ad hoc faculty recruitment, academic year 2021 to 22, and this notification released for the academic year 2021 to 22. And here the applications are invited for following ad hoc faculty positions in the departments or schools as specified below. And you may check down here the departments or the schools for civil engineering, biotechnology, chemical engineering, computer science and engineering, electrical engineering, electronics and communications engineering, mechanical engineering, metallurgical and materials engineering, and the School of Sciences and the School of Humanities, that is mathematics, physics, chemistry and English, and the School of Humanities Management. So these are the departments, guys, and from these departments the vacancies are there. And please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to these departments. It will be very much helpful to them. And coming to the essential qualifications for the civil engineering. For the civil engineering, it is a first class in both BTech as well as the MTech, and the desirable is the PhD. So even though if you don't have the PhD, then no problem. Here the essential qualification is the post graduation. And coming to the biotechnology, first class in both BTech and MTech or equivalent in biotechnology, or else first class in both BTech in chemical engineering and MTech in biotechnical or chemical engineering, or else a first class with throughout BSc and MSc and MTech in biotechnology. And coming to the chemical, computers, electrical, electronics and mechanical and metallurgical and materials, first class in both BTech and MTech or equivalent in respective branch of engineering or the allied branches. And the School of Humanities, that is from maths, physics, chemistry and English, first class in both UG and PG in the relevant discipline, and PhD is also required for these subjects. Okay. And coming to the School of Humanities and Management, so first class in BE or BTech and first class in MBA, or else first class in bachelor's degree in any discipline with first class in MCOM full-time and first class in MBA full-time or equivalent. Okay, so these are the post and as well as the essential qualifications, guys. And coming to the remuneration, as we already saw in the thumbnail, consolidated amount of 60,000 rupees per month for the PhD qualification candidates, and 50,000 rupees per month will be available for the ME or MTech or MBA qualified candidates. And the appointment is purely temporary. The appointment will be terminated by the 31st May 2022 or with 1 month notice, whichever is earlier. Okay. And few more important instructions are given here. The candidates have to fill the online application form available in the institute by logging in with true credentials and relevant proofs as sought while filling the application forms. Okay. And here, to get the online application form, just click on this one and you will be directed to the online applications. In online application form, here the few steps are given. So follow these steps, and then if you are new, then click on the sign up. If you already having the password and everything, then you have to click on the sign in. Then your online application process for the teaching recruitment ad hoc in National Institute of Technology Andhra Pradesh will start. And here a few pics are given here. So how to register and how it will be the online registration website, link that given here. So you may check down. And applicants has to pay the application fee 750 rupees for the UR, OBC as well as the EWS candidates, and 500 rupees for the SC, ST and PWD candidates. So here with respect to the snapshots, the how to apply, everything is given here. And the last date for the application form fill up is 22nd May 2021. And the list of shortlisted candidates and the schedule of interviews will be displayed in the institute website on 31st May 2021. That means here there are no written test guys. Directly the selected candidates will be called for the interview. Okay, that will be updated or displayed in the website itself on the 31st May 2021. And the shortlisted candidates will not be intimated individually. Okay, all the candidates have to check out the website frequently. And the selection of ad hoc basis will be based upon an online interview. That means you need not to attend physically. Okay, you can attempt the online interview. And the online slots for the interview shall be intimated by the institute along with the list of shortlisted candidates. And the selected candidates have to join immediately by submitting the original documents for verification. Okay, so these are the complete details regarding this one. And coming to the highlights of this notification is that with only post graduation you can apply for this one. And with only PG you can earn 50,000 rupees per month, but it is a purely temporary basis up to 1 year. Okay, and there is no written test and only interview will be there, and the interview is also online interview. Fine. So these are the highlights of this advertisement, and the last date is 22nd May 2021. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. It will be very much helpful to them. And for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so listen guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide